Hello friends, in this video tutorial I will show you one of the many ways how to make a spiral out of balloons for modeling. I pre-inflate the balloons to eliminate the defect and stretch the walls of the balloon. Now I put the green balloon inside the transparent one for the entire length. At the end, I make a tight knot in such a way as to capture both balloons. I'm cutting off the extra part. Look, I tied a balloon for modeling to a hand pump. With this device, I fix a transparent balloon and wind it on the pump. When wrapping, I stretch a transparent balloon. Now I put the nose of a transparent balloon on a very ordinary air generator and pull out a little green balloon. I inflate a transparent balloon, and you can see what a perfectly smooth spiralet turns out. After inflating, I twist both balloons together, make a knot and cut off the extra part. With this method, I make one more spiral. Only in this case, I reduce the diameter of the spiral because I wound the balloon on a thin hand pump. Look, I made these two spirals using an air generator, and I made the spiral using a hand pump. I am glad to share my experience with you. Thank you for watching us.